How to start a YouTube channel in 5 simple steps. Thinking about starting a YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? Don't waste hours guessing or watching random tutorials. In this video, I'll show you the 5 exact steps to set up your channel the right way so you can start posting weekly short offer videos and growing an audience fast. I'm Albert, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your channel ready to post weekly short offer videos and start growing an audience. These basics are quick, simple, and set you up for success. By completing these 5 steps, you'll have everything in place to start posting weekly short offer videos on your YouTube channel and delivering those same videos as SMS texts directly to your opted-in, financially qualified prospects. Let's walk through how to create your own YouTube channel step by step. Step 1. Create your Google account. Go to youtube.com and sign in. If you don't already have a Google account, create one. It's free and takes 2 minutes. Link it to your phone number for security and easy verification later. Step 2. Create your channel. Click your profile circle, then settings, then create a new channel. Add your channel name, this shows up on your videos, and your handle, this makes your channel searchable. Don't stress, both can be changed later. Step 3. Customize your branding. Click your profile circle, then YouTube Studio, then Customize to add a banner and picture to your YouTube channel. The ideal banner size is 2560 by 1440 pixels with a safe area of 1546 by 423 pixels in the center. This ensures that important text or logos are visible on all devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. You can create your banner using free tools like Canva or Adobe Express, or paid software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator for more customization. Step 4. Unlock features with verification. Open YouTube Studio from the Profile menu, go to Settings, then Channel, then Featured Eligibility, and verify your phone number. This unlocks important features like custom thumbnails and videos longer than 15 minutes. Step 5. Add team permissions, optional. Inside YouTube Studio, go to Settings, then Permissions. This allows you to give access to an assistant, or even our team at Human Brainbox to help upload and manage content. Click Invite, enter email of who you would like to give permission, select access level. In just 5 steps, you've created your profile, added branding, unlocked pro features, and set up permissions. Now you're ready to upload your first short offer video, post consistently, and even deliver those videos straight to prospects via SMS texts. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and check the description for our video on setting channel permissions. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.